everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com, and today I want to share with you our home all decorated for Christmas. Christmas is definitely my favorite time of year, and I absolutely love decorating our home for the holidays. So today I thought I'd give you a tour of our home. I have lots of DIY ideas in here as well. I will link to tutorials for everything I've made for our home for Christmas down in the description box below. I've kept our decor mostly neutral, but I've thrown in lots of really cozy textures and things, so I hope you enjoy this tour. I want to thank The Brick for sponsoring this video and the blog post tour as well. I will link to the blog post with more photos of our home at Christmas down in that description box below. Now let me show you our home decorated at Christmas time. Welcome to our home on the Alberta prairies. We built our home ourselves in 2013 and we're continually working on it and making it cozy and special as we go. This year I decorated our house in an elegant, rustic, and cozy style for Christmas with lots of neutral colors, metallics, tons of warm textures, and lots of greenery. So come on and take a tour of our main floor and our basement and get some simple Christmas decorating ideas for your own home. The first room you see to the right of our front door is our main living room. I've added a warm DIY arm knit blanket on our comfy Frank chairs from The Brick, and I love the marriage of this rustic and handmade. These chairs lean back and make you feel so relaxed. I've also added handmade pillows and a DIY plush throw blanket in this room for added coziness and texture. I will link down in the description box below to the DIY for this faux fur blanket. And as always, make sure to check out my blog, thediymommy.com, for all of the tutorials that I have featured in this home tour, as well as more photos of our home that you can pin and save for later. Our Christmas tree is decorated with rustic picks, metallic ribbon, giant DIY pom-poms, and hand-painted ornaments. I'll leave a link down in the description box below as well for this if you want to see more of our Christmas tree. I've put our DIY paper houses advent calendar on the sideboard, and I added some subtle greenery to our artwork and our chandelier. I love these soft accent colors of cream and brown, and I think they go so well with our new sectional. This one's also from The Brick. It's from their Design to Be line, and it's in this beautiful teal velvet, which I absolutely love. So I chose the style Flora and the configuration, which is a love seat and a chaise, and I wanted this piece to be comfy and relaxing for our family, and we're loving how it suits the shape and the function of this room, and it's so soft and cozy for Christmas evenings by the fireplace. On the matching round ottoman, which is also from The Brick's Design to Be line, I placed my DIY tray. I will link to that tutorial down below with some flameless candles, a Christmas cloche, an antler shed, and some faux greenery. I love subtle touches like this that aren't fussy but add a little bit of Christmas cheer into our home. The star of our Christmas mantle this year is the mansard mirror, also from The Brick, and I flanked it with metallic bottle brush trees and some other metallic trees. I love the shape of this mirror, and I move it from room to room all the time. It's so beautiful. It has that French country look. I've just layered a plain faux greenery garland with a eucalyptus garland. Some creamy white stockings are here as well, and then I also added my DIY thrifted tassel banner, and I think it's such a layered and a cozy look. Now let's move on to the breakfast nook. So I swapped out our breakfast nook drapes to these simple white ones. They were more patterned for fall, and it really gave this space the brightness I wanted it to have for our often so dark winter months. I love the simplicity in here of all the white tones, and they truly make our Trudel table from The Brick be the star of the show here. The traditional pedestal table contrasts so nicely with these metal farmhouse chairs. They're just a DIY I did. I painted them with white chalk paint, and then I added some furry textiles on the chairs and the dining nook bench to give some comfort to the space. We made some simple gingerbread houses to use as an easy and edible centerpiece. I will link that tutorial below along with more Christmas centerpiece ideas just for you. Now in the kitchen, I like to keep seasonal decor relatively simple so it doesn't prevent us from working in here. There are a ton of Christmas cookies we have to bake in here over the next few weeks after all. A small tray of Christmas ornaments and a candle adds a festive touch to our island, but it's still simple and pretty. So over our sink, I hung a faux eucalyptus garland and lights with some removable hooks. I love these lights because they look like little cookie cutters, which I think is so perfect for Christmas. I often put wreaths on the cupboards in this room, but I love the garland this year just for something different. This is one of our hardest working areas in our home, so it's nice not to have a lot of greenery to get in the way of opening and closing doors and things. We still love our black KitchenAid dishwasher from the Brick. After dozens and dozens of loads of dishes, it is still going strong, and I'm really happy with how it blends into our black lower cabinets here for a nice sleek look. On the counter over the dishwasher are some more simple seasonal touches like jars filled with faux snow and bottle brush trees, an ornament, and a diffuser filled with yummy smelling essential oils add some cheer to our kitchen. So we're gearing up to use our KitchenAid electric double oven from the Brick a lot this season as we prep to bake cookies, pies, and at least one giant holiday meal here this month. I love the double oven feature here because it makes it easy to do a couple completely different dishes at once. So you could bake cookies in here as well as cook a turkey at the same time in different ovens. And my favorite burner, I don't know if you guys have a favorite burner, is the bottom right one for how quickly it boils water. We even cleared off my biggest nemesis in this space, which is our hook wall. It's kind of behind the kitchen here to the back door, and we stored away all of our spring and summer gear finally in favor of warm jackets and scarves. Our KitchenAid multi-door refrigerator is still one of my favorite things of all time, my favorite appliance, and I can't believe it's in our kitchen. I love how the black stainless steel looks against white cupboards on this side of the kitchen, and it looks so streamlined. So some more simple festive touches here in our kitchen include a copper banner, it's just a couple years old, in front of our range hood, and a few candles and copper colored baking accessories on the counter. I am totally digging this copper, green, black, and white combo for Christmas in our kitchen. You might remember me featuring our dining room a couple weeks ago here on the channel, but I wanted to show it to you again. Around the corner here, it's just around the corner from our kitchen. I think it's my favorite space in our home this season. I love the topaz area rug. I kept the Christmas decor in here mostly neutral with pops of green to tie in this soft rug. The table centerpiece in here is so easy. I simply added some mercury glass decorative trees onto the table and surrounded it by some real and faux greens and fairy lights. It's minimal, but it's so elegant and pretty. White and gold plates in here keep this simple theme going, and thrifted green stemware adds a fun accent to the table. All of the white and green really makes our Keswick dining table from the Brick stand out. I can't wait to have friends and family here for a meal or 2 or 3 this month. I also put up a Christmas tree in here, and I love how it turned out. Gold ribbon, faux flowers, and ornaments against the flocked branches are just subtle and sweet. I added a few aqua-colored ornaments to tie in with our wall color, and it's amazing how even a few of them make such a difference. The final room I want to share with you today is our basement. We recently renovated it. I will link to that video on the renovation down in the description box below, and it's been one of our girls' favorite spots to play. Our Sydney Barn Door Entertainment Center is from the Brick, and it hides our TV, and it has ample storage for our books, toys, and games. I added a simple green garland to the top of it with a felt ball banner and a handmade paper Christmas ornament banner. So some Christmas coloring and craft supplies on the table is a fun way to invite the girls to craft. I put a lit birch tree down here that I've had for years, and we decorated it with ornaments in colors the girls love, like pink, red, and turquoise. They love all the glitter and all the sparkle and all that color. When our whole family wants to watch Christmas movies, we still adore our giant Paris sectional. After a few years, it's still in great shape, and it's so comfy, and it fits all 5 of us with ease. I've kept out the jewel-toned DIY pillows here, and I think they look great with all the rest of this colorful Christmas decor. you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed our Christmas home tour this year. Please let me know down in those comments below what you thought of it and which part you liked the best. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more DIY and decor ideas. I'm gonna leave some more videos that I hope you'll enjoy right up here.